Good morning, my algebra fans. I hope that you guys are doing well. I know that it's been kind of rough trying to learn some new material. So I'm going to do this lesson. This is on long division that you had on Khan Academy, and had a little birdies tell me that this was they're really struggling with it. So I'm going to teach it myself now that I've got the technology in place here. So I'm going to move quickly because I am limited on my space on my YouTube channel. So I will move quickly, but you can always go back and replay whatever you need to replay, okay? Hope you're doing well. Keep working hard, and we'll hope you enjoy your spring break. Try to catch up. Remember, everything is due tomorrow. Thanks. All right, dividing polynomials. To divide a polynomial by a polynomial, the long division format can be used. Do you remember in elementary when you did long division the first time you learned to divide, multiply, subtract, compare, bring down? That was a little thing your little elementary teachers taught you. Well, it's the same thing. You're going to, let's see if I can get my pen to work here. You're going to, let's see, in here, let's try again. All right. Anyway, you're going to divide. So the first step we want to do is to say, look at the first term. X squared, inner dividend, that's inside the division symbol. And look at the divisor on the outside. You're going to say to yourself, take the first number, x squared, divided by x. What is x squared divided by x? We know that is x, because 2 minus 1 is 1. So we put x right above the x squared. Okay, and then we're going to divide. Now we're going to multiply. 2 times x is 2x. X times x is x squared. Notice the placement just like a long division problem. So we multiply. Now we're going to subtract. All right, put that in parentheses so you remember the whole thing is in subtraction. All right, 6x minus 2x is 4x. And of course, x squared minus x squared cancels each other out. Now we've done that. Now we're going to bring down. -9. Now divide 4x divided by x. What is 4x divided by x? Well, we know that the x's will cancel. That gives me a +4. Divide, then multiply. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times x is 4x. So we subtract. Now don't forget your subtraction. Put those parentheses around it. That'll help you remember. -9 minus 8 is -17. Now, and that's your answer. Now you have a remainder here of -17. So 17 is the remainder. 17. All right. And when writing the final quotient, place the remainder over the divisor, the number outside of the division sign. So our answer is x plus 4 minus 17 over x plus 2. It's our final. All right. So arrange the terms both in dividend, or make sure they're in descending order. That's an important concept there. X squared comes first, then x cubed, x squared, then x4, x whatever. So make sure that they're in the right order. Complete the divide, multiply, subtract procedure that we just went. And let's try this one, okay? Now notice we have x minus 8, but look at all the space in between. Why did we do that? Because we must fill them in with the missing place. They're like placeholders, like zeros, like 1008. All right, there you got 1008. Okay, that would be those would be placeholders. So you're gonna go through the same process. X cubed divided by x is x squared. Now we're going to multiply. X squared times 2x is -2x. And then x squared times x is x cubed. Subtract. Notice a minus a -2x is plus x. Bring down the plus 0x. That's a placeholder. You got to have it. Now remember, concentrate only on the first term. 2x squared divided by x is, and you know that's 2x. So you put that as your dividend at the top. All right, and now multiply. 2x times -2 is -4x. 2x times x is x squared. Put those in parentheses and subtract. 0 minus a -4, 4x. Bring down the -8. 4x divided by x. is 4. So up at the top, you're going to put plus 4. All right, and multiply, look, and no remainder. Okay, hopefully that's much better. Let's keep going. All right, let's look at the next one. 3a cubed, you see it there? 3a cubed divided by 3a goes a squared. Multiply, subtract, bring down. 6a squared, negative 6a squared divided by 3a is negative 2a. Multiply, then in parentheses, subtract, bring down. Divide, that's right, 3a divided by 3a is 1. Multiply, bring down, and you do have a remainder there. I believe it's a 1. My beautiful picture is hiding it. And your remainder is plus 1 over 3a plus 1. So you're getting the remainder from your subtraction at the bottom, placing over your divisor at the top.